Good morning, friends. So today is Monday nga pala, July 22 or 23, 2024. Ayan, pasensya na guys, hindi ko na-check yung date ngayon. So anyway, maaga akong gumising guys. Tinanggal ko yung laman ng ating pantry kasi medyo nakakita na ako ng mga stains sa shelves. Yeah, and I wanna clean it bago mag-resume yung ating work. So anyway, madami tayong stuff doon sa guys, sa table. Yun yung natin galing sa pantry. Ayan. So wait, ipakita ko ng sa inyo. So ayan, ito yung laman ng ating pantry guys. Yan, hindi naman siya masyadong maraming laman. Ito yung mga canned beans natin. So nilagay ko siya dyan kasi iso-sort out ko sila. Itatapon ko na yung mga expired. And then ito yung ating mga garbage bags natin, yan siya. Tapos ito yung aming boxes guys, na sinasabi ko na nag-accumulate na meron na tayong 4 dito. Pero hindi ko pa siya nalagyan ng pangalan. Yan. And yeah, i-wrap pa natin ito ng ng scotch tape. So ayan yung plano natin today. Ito nga pala yung aming pantry. Madami pang tubig dito kasi dito ko yan nilalagay sa ilalim ng pantry. So yan, in-spray ko na siya earlier. Yan, pero hindi ko pa na-wipe. Look at that. Is-spray ko pa siya ulit. So, yan. Plano kong maglinis quickly dito sa kitchen. Yan. And then, yung ating, yung ating carpet. Gusto kong i-vacuum. Napuno na yung ating storage, kaya hindi ko na continue yung sasabihin ko. Anyway, so i-vacuum ko lang yung ating carpet and then i-shampoo ko siya. Then after that, I need to hurry up kasi lalabas kami kasi magpapanotarize kami ng mga papers. And then, yeah, yan lang yung plano natin today. So, anyway, nag-re-upload nga pala ako ng video, guys. Yun yung video before my interview, like maybe a week or 2 before my interview. So, I just wanna show you, in-upload ko siya noon, pero for whatever reason, hindi kaagad ako naka-receive ng yung, alam niyo na, yung sa song. But anyway, so may mga change ako and medyo pinaikli ko yung video. So, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much kung ni-rewatch nyo yung video. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for watching my video.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming 'cause I feel the sun. For the special touch you give, I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrifice in love. Before you I will.
Gumawa na ako ng rice kasi ganyan talaga ang life natin dito. Para anytime na magluto.
Don't overthink it, you were there from the start when my heart became yours. Don't say we're over, you should be here with me. For the special touch you give, I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrifice in love. Before you I will. I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming 'cause I feel the sun.
Hey, Fishy! They can actually follow me, guys. You wanna see this?
Sure.
Okay. Go. Oh, they're coming towards me. Okay,
Uh-huh.
get away from me. You
Yeah.
know what happened? My mom actually she did this and then she touched their mouths
Uh-huh.
and she liked touching their mouths.
But in the beginning,
Yeah, in the beginning she got startled, but then now she likes touching their mouths. You gotta watch out when they get bigger because their teeth will become
yan.
sharp.
So, humingi ng toast ang anak ko, guys. Alinis yung ano ko, ha. Kamay ko. Nag-stop lang ako for a moment para gumawa ng toast kasi humingi ng toast yun anak ko. Yan, so nag-vacuum na ako sa sa living room. Dito pa, oh. Nag-stop lang ako saglit kasi yan, asikasuhin ko muna ang anak ko. Char. Tapos, gimap ko na siya dito. Minap ko na siya dito. Ayan, balik na tayo. So, katatapos ko lang shampoo ang ang aming carpet. So, ayan. Yan yung papunta doon. And then, dito sa living room. Yan. So, naka-on yung ating fan, yung ating blower. So, later na lang ito, pagbalik namin. At least dito, inano ko na siya, minab ko na siya. And then, dito rin. Yan.
And could you please close?
Oh dear. Ang lightning. So, papunta kami ng main event. Kagagaling lang namin nagpa-notarize, guys. Sasaglit lang kami sa main event para makapaglaro si Rachel kasi nga ulan ng ulan, so hindi siya masyadong nakakapag laro. Yeah, grabe ang ulan. Uy, hindi daw ito hihinto until tonight. Ayan. So, sumaglit lang kami sa sa Dollar Tree. Yung main event nga pala, meron ang nag-book. So, hindi siya available to everybody until 6 p.m. Yan. So, kaya hindi kami natuloy.
A few moments later.
Any threat to one sphere will have drastic effects on all the others. Atmosphere.
Ayan, so while nagbabanding ang asawa at ang anak ko, nagluto naman ako ng muffin at saka spaghetti for our dinner. So, para ito sa akin at sa asawa ko, guys, kasi ayaw kumain ng spaghetti ng anak ko and she preferred to eat rice and soup. So, kaya ayan, konti lang yung noodle na niluto natin.
2,000 years later.
So, ito na yung pantry natin, guys. Oh, so, dinagdag ko lang ito dito. Dati kasi, wala ito dito kasi nakalagay siya sa aming famine na pagkain. So, ito siya. I always had this even before kasi gusto ko yung feeling na parang country, parang yung mga lola effect na nakatira. I don't know if you guys can relate with me. But anyway, yan. So, parang feel ko yung ganyan na na vibe, char. So, ito na yung natin, siya in order. So, mahilig kami, mga fish ito siya. So, mahilig kami sa fish sandwich. So, kaya nandito siya nakalagay. And then, yan, yung pinaka-dulo doon, yun, yung list na ginagamit namin. So, ayan, napakasimple lang, guys. I just really wanted to organize them. And then, dito, yung mga spices talaga namin is nandito siya sa cabinet na ito. Hindi naman talaga ako mahilig masyadong gumamit ng mga spices, guys. Ayan lang siya. Wait. Yan. So, balik tayo dito. And then, dito nga sa ilalim yung ating tubig. And yun yung ating, ayan, garbage bags. So, ayan lang.
So he basically said,
Pa-car wash muna tayo.
like a racing car.
Wild pie,
Nasty
deliciously
now.
wild pizza.
Little daisies. I learned that from my science book.
Oh, they're too, but that one is small.
No, yeah,
There are big daisies I saw.
yeah, that's what they call little daisies.
How about this yellow one? Is that a small sunflower?
Yes, it is.
Oh, really? Wow.
That's what I. Look, they're exactly the same as the big sunflowers. So that
Look,
one's
look,
big.
look. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Huh?
You know, I can put this in my hair, right?
Yeah. Did you check if there's any insects?
Yes, I did check this.
Ah, I like this thing over here. Uh-huh. Yeah. This is perfect.
People who are taking care of the beach now they start to care about the people too.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is awesome.
Close up. It used to be that like over here. It was never
Oh.
this wide.
Ayan, at dito nga tayo napadpad sa beach, guys. Ayan, so, iba ito sa beach na pinupuntahan talaga namin kasi medyo malayo-layo ito. We just really wanna take a break from the house kasi busy talaga, guys. And yeah, we wanna take a little break and breathe some air, and we wanted to like take a little walk. Ayan, so tumitingin-tingin ako sa paligid, guys, kasi maraming tao, and I wanna make sure na hindi ko makapture yung ibang tao as much as possible para naman hindi sila maka-feel ng di ba? Kasi may ibang tao na kapag nakahawak ka ng tripod, yung iniisip nila na masali sila sa camera. Through their reaction, mapapansin mo talaga. But anyway, yeah, we're here at the beach and look at the sun. Ayan, ang anak ko nag-start ng maglaro. Ayan. Nandito kami, guys. Actually, wala ito sa plano. Parang last minute decision ng daddy, no?
Go with the flow.
Yeah, go with the flow. Yeah. Para makapag-relax naman tayo dyan. Yeah. Today nga pala is Tuesday.
So the wind comes from the ocean, right? Hot air goes to the ocean, and then it gets cooled from the coolness of the ocean. Then that wind comes up to I dealt with a lot of those guys when I used to work in the jail. They're hard-headed.
These rocks look pretty sus.
So, bago kami umalis, I decided to take a walk with my daughter. And ito banda, guys, napakaganda dito, especially pag nasa personal, kasi parang ang ganda talaga ng view, parang pang pictorial talaga siya. Yan. Kaso medyo matulis yung edge ng ng mga rocks na ito. I don't know what kind of rock are these. Yeah, kaya hinawakan ko yung kamay ng anak ko kapag pumupunta siya sa kasi gusto niya talagang pumunta doon sa dulo. Medyo mahaba ito, guys. Should I say mahaba? Yeah. Gusto niyang pumunta hanggang doon sa dulo, kaso sabi ko nga sa kanya na we're not prepared for this and wala kaming extra shoes, ganon. So, ayan, medyo natagalan kami and medyo na-sermonan yan doon sa may dulo, gusto niyang pumunta doon. So, yeah, medyo na-sermonan kami ni daddy kasi sabi niya, matagal daw kami, and you know, we're a little farther from daddy. So yan, kung ano yung mangyari, you know, hindi siya makakapag respond kaagad para sa amin. But anyway, yeah, we had so much fun. Ang ganda ng tubig dito banda, and may makikita ka na mga ano guys, mga boat na nag-dock dyan banda sa my right side. Yan, and dito kami sa my left side guys, yung spot namin. Yan. So, hindi ako nagsisisi guys. Worth it yung pagpunta namin dito kahit hindi kami prepared, kasi nakaka-relax talaga. And yeah, a little bonding with my family. And yeah, that's what really makes me happy naman talaga.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, 'cause I feel the sun.